I am the copycat. I like making copycat foods. Today I am making Yoo-hoo chocolate drink. For this recipe, you only need 4 ingredients. Grab a pitcher. You need Nesquik chocolate powder. 1 cup. You need instant non-fat dry milk powder. 2 cups. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 6 cups of water. Now whisk it up. Let it chill. It's all done. Yoo-hoo chocolate drink. Wow! It makes my mouth happy. Yoo-hoo actually got its start in the 1920s. It was created in New Jersey by a small grocery owner, Natale Olivieri. Natale had created his own fruit beverages that he was selling called True Fruit. Well, he also thought it would be fun to bottle a chocolate drink, but he couldn't call that True Fruit, so he came up with Yoo-hoo, a regular saying people would say. Due to things like bacteria and milk getting old, he couldn't bottle a chocolate milk, so he came up with a chocolate drink, which was a mix of chocolate and dried milk powder. So there's actually no liquid milk in Yoo-hoo, so that's why you could find it on the store shelves. But once you open it, you do have to refrigerate it. And that takes us to the Yoo-hoo we know and love today. What would they call a milk delivery service using drones? Dairy air. But that would be the butt of many jokes.